Whoever discovered you could make restaurant-quality scallion oil noodles in a microwave deserves a Nobel Prize. This is the ultimate lazy garment trick you wish you knew sooner. Grab your trusty microwave-safe bowl and pile in a mountain of chopped onions and scallions. Drizzle with oil just enough to make everything glisten and give it a quick mix. Microwave it on high for 5 minutes and your kitchen smells like a Taipei night market store. Now for the flavor, 2 tablespoons of coarse chili flakes, a heap of minced garlic and sesame seeds. The sauce comes together with soy sauce, oyster sauce and sugar. Measurements so simple you will memorize them after one try. Back in the microwave for just 60 seconds to bloom all those spices into something magical. Toss in your cooked noodles and fresh cilantro. Watch as that glossy, fragrant oil coats every strand perfectly. The onions have caramelized into sweet nuggets. The chili flakes provide just enough heat and the sesame seeds add that satisfying crunch. This isn't just poor student food, it's a masterclass in maximizing flavor with minimal effort. No fancy equipment, no chef skills required, just microwave alchemy that will make you question why you ever bother with the stove.